So now, to understand Newton's third law of motion, let's do an experiment. So let's see. This is a spring balance B. It is named as B, and this is the another spring balance A. You can see here, these are two spring balance. What is this spring balance? Spring balance is a you can say weighting scale, where one end is fixed and the other end, in the other end there is a spring with a hook, so that we can attach another object to this end. Okay, and in the spring balance there is a scale also. This side there is a spring, we can attach another object, and one side is fixed. So what we do, we take two spring balance A and B, and we fix this end to a rigid support like wall, say wall. We fix this end, and in this free end of the spring, what we do, another spring balance A is attached to this hook. Okay, another spring balance A is attached to this hook, and with our hand we pull this spring balance A towards this position, towards right. So when you pull this spring balance A towards right, what you will observe? You will observe the same reading in both the balance. Same reading means, can you see this? Suppose let us suppose this reading is here shows 4, and that means Newton, 4 Newton, and in this case in spring balance A the same reading 4 Newton is observed. Okay, so both spring balance shows the same force. So how can we explain this? So let's see. When we pull the balance A, okay, when we pull this balance, it exerts a 4 Newton force on the balance B. When we pull this, it exerts a force on B. Suppose it's 4 Newton. At the same time, simultaneously, the balance B pulls the balance A with an equal force of 4 Newton. This balance B will also exert a force to A with the same force, then but in opposite direction. Balance B exerts an equal and opposite force on balance A. Since both the balance shows same reading, that means what? Action, because you pull this spring balance towards right, that means action is this word. Action is nothing, but you pull, that means what? You apply force here towards right, you apply force. That means action is in this direction, but reaction is in opposite direction. So we can conclude that action and reaction forces are equal in magnitude. In value it is equal in magnitude, but opposite in direction. That means if the action force is towards right, then the reaction force is acting towards left. Thus action and reaction force act in opposite directions. Okay, you see, it moves towards right and it moves towards left. Okay, so Newton's third law is, to every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Thank you.